Hey viewers, how are you doing? See, we have almost crossed the mid of January, and I hope now that you're keeping the same discipline, the same consistency towards learning English and practicing it, and definitely you're going to nail this. Today, the topic is for absolute beginners of English language learning. This is the concept of this, that, these, those in this slide. Okay. So we have to imagine that you are standing here on the extreme left of the page. Okay. You have to imagine this. And the things which are close to you, if you have to describe about them, you're going to say, this is a triangle. Now, when the same objects are a little far away from you, you will say that is a triangle. Okay? We are over here completing almost three concepts. The concept of near and far, the concept of singular and plural with the use of is and are, and the concept of present tense. The sentences which are mentioned over here are all in present tense. Okay. So when you are standing on the left and there are triangles near you, more than one, this is in the plural form, you can tell them these are triangles. You can tell this, that these are triangles. Now when you are on the left and these triangles are far away from you, okay? So you will pinpoint them by saying those are triangles, okay? Those are triangles. Now, same way we can change the object and again describe it. This is a heart. When the heart is far away from you, you say that is a heart. In the same manner, when the hearts are near to you, you say these are hearts. And when these hearts are far away from you, you say those are hearts. In this manner, you describe about this, that, these and those. The concept of near and far is completed. The concept of is and are means singular and plural, and we are mentioning these sentences into present tense. Okay. The practice for this video is very, very important. You have to pick up as many as 15 objects and write sentences, okay, with this, that, these, those. I'm giving you an example of, we will draw a circle near you and say, this is a circle. Then we write, that is a circle. We will draw many circles near you and say, these are circles. Then we will draw circles far away and state, those are circles, okay. In this way, pick up objects, draw, and after drawing, just write and complete them. Okay. Very, very important for the practice. This will help you, even with some kind of vocabulary words also. When you draw actually and you write the spellings, you will be helping yourself with some vocabulary also. Okay. So a very short, very quick video for absolute beginners. I am soon going to come with one very important topic, that is accent neutralization. Okay. So hope if you have liked this video, you will subscribe and like it. All the best, as I say, and do not forget to share your practice in the comment section. Thank you.